If you're new here, my name is Ehdina and welcome to Just Peachy TV. This channel is all about whimsical videos for the curious millennial regarding our desires, needs, and pain points. So, if you're a serious multitasker and don't identify with a single label or talent, this is the channel for you. Yeah, I know, ang haba. But in short, this channel is the best place for curious millennials. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how I rearranged my room, because if the lockdown is doing one thing, it's making us seriously think about our homes. So if you find yourself with more time on your hands, now is the ideal time to give your space some attention. Let's face it, there's only so much Netflix you can binge. And forced time at home has led to a DIY explosion around the country, or should I say, around the world. I did a lot of DIY myself. Yes, thank you. And with the time I have, I decided to rearrange my room. So thank you for your suggestions. I had a couple of comments about the placement of my bed and some of the furnitures I have in my room. My bed kasi is aligned to the door. So that's the main reason why I wanted to arrange my furniture. So thank you for those who commented on my room makeover video. And if you haven't already, please check that video. I highly recommend it so that you know how to start your room makeover. So, let's start! By the way, kung hindi nyo na itatanong, bakit part 1 ito? Kasi hindi pa po ito pala yung final. Binaga ko pa ulit to. So, this video is part 1, which is yung black and white aesthetic. And then, for my part 2, yun talaga yung bonggang-bonggang abangan nyo. Kasi that is yung my rustic boho aesthetic. So, if you've been seeing yung mga pinopost kong picture dito sa YouTube community and on my Instagram, you'll see na iba na yung itsura ng kwarto ko. Pero konting-konting pasilip lang kasi I really love you guys. And I want you to be really excited about it kasi sobrang excited ako about it. Pero yun, for the meantime, eto muna. Eto yung first phase, black and white. Abangan nyo na lang yung part 2. Alright? Let me just say na matagal pa yun, guys. So, please, huwag nyo akong madaliin. No rush order. Charot. Kasi marami pa akong inaantay na eksena. And don't worry, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. But for now, please, just enjoy this video. And in between, I will be releasing mga DIYs, mga room decor. So, please watch out for that. Basta wag nyo lang muna isipin yung part 2. But nandun yon. It's in the works, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, the part 1 of rearranging my room.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna